Welcome to Code with Vinod. In the last video, we have created a student table and we had added some data with the help of admin interface. But in this video, we will see how we can add the data into the table with the help of ORM query set. So for the testing purpose, we will use shell, means Django shell. Otherwise, we will write our logic into the views.py file. So let me start Django shell. So Python manage.py shell, and let me import my student table. So from my test app Django dot models import student, and then I will apply the select ORM. So for this we will use, let's say, table name dot objects. So it's a query manager, so we can change it as per our requirement. Its name, we can change its name. So student dot objects dot all, so it will print the query set. So if we want to print the complete data, let's say in the form of actual data, so we will use dot values, so we can see. So now next step is how we can insert some data into the table. So for this we will use, let's say, R1 is a record. We will apply, means we will assign our query set on this student. This is the table name, and then we will use, let's say, id is 2, and name, let's say I'm giving some kind of let's say Vikram, and then so we have to take care of the data type, and then class name is equal to, let's say, B, and roll number. So R1 dot save. So our data is saved. So let's see if data is saved or not. So we will select. So we can see we have two data set and values we can see. So next step is how we can update our data. So let's say I want to update this name. So how I will use? So for this I will use, let's say, R1 again, or we can give any variable. Then student dot objects dot get. So we will use get to get the object. Let's say I want to update this object, means having id is equal to 1. Then r1 dot, let's say I want to change the name, so I will give r1 dot name is equal to, let's say, Vishal, and then r1 dot save, and then check. So we can see our record is updated, and now we will see how we can delete the record. So for to delete the record, we will use the same style. We will get the object of the, let's say I want to delete id 2. So r1 dot delete function we will call, and then check. So we have only single record. So in this video we have learned on the simple ORM, but in the later videos we will learn some advanced level ORM as well. So thanks for watching. So please subscribe.